Today in this video I am gonna explain how to hard reset Xiaomi 13. Start by turning off your Xiaomi 13. Press and hold the power key and tap volume up to access the power off option. Once the device is powered off, press and hold the power button and volume up simultaneously. Release only the power button when the Xiaomi logo appears on the screen, but keep holding the volume up button until the recovery mode activates. In the recovery mode menu, use the volume rocker to navigate and select wipe data and then press the power key to confirm your selection. Choose the wipe all data operation and confirm by selecting confirm. Wait for the process to complete. Then use the back option to return to the main menu. Navigate to reboot section and select reboot to system. After the reset is complete, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.